Yo, what's up guys, it's Kasper again, coming in with another artwork video. But for those of you who don't know me, I'm mostly a mural and skateboard artist out of Melbourne, Australia. Today I have a really fun, different and unique project. It was actually a commission piece requested from the UK and it's based around Magic the Gathering. Mostly the mana elements in the Magic the Gathering deck, which is white, blue, black, red and green. So I got to fit all 5 of these onto one board, complement one just as much as the next. Each one has a really awesome background and different specialty, so I'm going to try to capture that in the piece. But without further ado, I'm going to get straight into it. But if you enjoy this video, like, subscribe, do all that good stuff, and I will catch you on the next one. So these are the type of boards that I create. In this one, I even carved out the center of the board. I think this is the one. For making this shape, I'll need 3 things. A board, a jigsaw, and a sander. But first things first, let's clean this thing up. Time to peel that grip. So we got the white, blue, black, red, and green. And here's a little hack for all you artists out there watching along. If you ever want to get an image on something, all you gotta do is print it out, draw on the back with a graphite pencil, and sketch really hard on the top with a biro. I'm super happy with that shape. I might clock out for the day and tomorrow starts all the color. So before I get started with the painting, I thought I'd just take you around my studio for a bit. It's a pretty cool little place, so I thought it might be cool to just check in and check it out. This place is a communal studio and it's called Blender Studios. It's located in Melbourne, Australia. And as you can see, there's all different types of art kicking around here. So everybody has their own space, whether it's from fine artists to street artists, graffiti writers, a little bit of everything. So it makes for a really cool working environment. And what's pretty sweet is we actually have our own little laneway that we can paint in at the back. And that's about it for the studio tour. I'm just going to head back to my space now and start laying down those colors. But I was just going to say, if you like my channel, if you like my stuff, feel free to sub, like, do all that stuff, because I really want to build some subscribers here and turn this into a long-term thing. That's day 2 down and the colors down. Now for our final day, let's get straight into that outline.
And that's a wrap. Looks like the skateboard's all done. I'm really happy with how it turned out. All I got to do is string it between the deck bolts and chuck a little varnish over the top. But if you did enjoy this video, check it out right there. I actually have a full playlist of skateboard videos. And thanks for watching all the way to the end. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you on the next one.